We don't gotta take it slow. I'ma hit the gas if you ready to fall.
Para tayong aso't pusa ng elementary tayo, pero despite all that, I'm here in front of you, witnessing this special day of yours. I love you so much, Amy, hanggang dulo. I love you so much, baby ko.
You came in my own, caught up in your zone, alone. Why don't you stay here after hours? I know you don't wanna leave. Stay here after hours. After hours we can.
Happy birthday, Amy! We love you so much!
It is just to you and I.
Always laging magpakabait. Huwag laging sumasagot sa magulang. Alam mo naman, dragon ka. Sana maging butike ka ng ngayon. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
You wanna come with me? My home never closes. Just want you to feel free. I'm not trying to lock you down. You came in my own.
Happy birthday, Amy! Ngayon, di ba mo na, malaki ka na, alam mo na yung mga gusto mo, tsaka yung tama't mali, love na love ka ni Mami. Love you! Happy birthday
Why
ulit!
don't you stay here after hours? After hours we can. Tell your friends to go, you can stay for a little while. You ain't gotta go, you can stay for a little while.
'Cause you're my pretty definition of beauty. Pretty girl, you make everything feel alright.
She's always going to be my little sister kahit hindi by blood. Kasi kilala ko to na napaka-sweet na bata, and just hope that you keep that sweetness hanggang sa tumanda ka. Kasi that's one of your best qualities, and I wish nothing but the best for you. Happy birthday.
Don't know you're beautiful, and I won't let it go. Oh,
Happy 18th birthday, Chuchay! Love you! Happy birthday, Amy! Happy birthday, Amy!
definition of beauty.
Hi Amy, happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo na to, and sana magpakabait ka na. Kalatita and kalatito.
Everything else, nothing can compete with you. My pretty.
Malambing ang anak ko na yan, makadati-dati. Tanggap ko naman na nag-grow na siya. Kaya hindi na siya baby namin. Mas maganda mga bata pa kayo. Pero ganun talaga, darating sa buhay niyo. Sasarili kayo. At andito lang ako para sa inyo. Para sa iyo. Tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy.
See every day.